Hi, good morning. This is Engineer Jack Juliet, and you're watching my online lectures in Strength of Material. This is day two. Okay, so we'll be discussing here um, several sample problems in simple stresses. This discussion will supplement what you have learned inside the classroom. So again, this is Strength of Materials, day two. Okay, so um, we have here several formulas that we'll be using in our strength of materials. Okay, the first one is strength equals P over area. No, we discussed this during day one. So S is unit stress in Pascal. Pascal is Newton per meter squared. Okay, P is total force of load in Newton. Then area is total area in square meters. E is modulus of elasticity in Pascal. Okay, so when you say modulus of elasticity, okay, this is the measurement of materials elasticity. Okay, kumbaga, lain-lain nga materials, lain-lain man ang iyang modulus of elasticity. Okay, then E is a unit deformation. It could be elongation or shortening. The unit actually is meter per meter or no unit. Okay? But just a convention, no? Para at least ma-identify ta that this is a unit deformation, our unit is meter per meter. Okay? Then we have here the formula or total deformation in terms of meter. We have PL over AE. Okay? Okay, so here, problem number two, you're asked to solve for unit stress in total elongation. So we have here a bar, a steel bar, given modulus of elasticity or E is 200 gigapascal, um, that has a 220 mm diameter, no? So since given ang aton nga bar in terms of diameter, butsilingon, circular bar ni siya. Okay? The length is also given. We have 4 meters. Then the total load is 5 tons. Okay? First, we have here solving for unit stress. Okay? Ang aton nga load is 1 ton, equivalent to 1,000 kilograms. Sorry, ang 1,000 kilograms, that is in terms of mass or unit weight sa aton nga mass. So, kung i-convert this as a weight, we have to multiply by gravity or 9.81. So, ang kilogram meter per second squared, no, that will be your Newton. So, in terms of Newton ang aton nga weight. Ang area ta naman, again, it was mentioned that this is 20 mm diameter. So this is a circle. So ang formula for areas ng circle, no, with diameter is pi d squared over 4. Okay? Or that is pi converting 20 mm to meter. No, that is 0.02 squared over 4. Okay? So the formula for stress is P over area. So we have here substitute. The total load is 5 tons. So that is 5 times 9810 divided by the area. No? So ang area tamo ni. You have pi times 0.02 squared divided by 4. Okay? So ang stress ta, since ang unit ani is Newton over millimeter squared. So ang unit is in terms of megapascal. So stress is 156.13 megapascal. So answer na ni. Okay? For total elongation, the formula is PL over AE. Ang load ta pareho man yapon, that is 5 times 9810. Ang length is 4 meters. Ang area, okay? Ang area ta mo man yapon pi d squared over 4. Tapos ang eta, this one, 200 gigapascal. This is only direct substitution. No? So substitute, you have 5 times 9810. No? This is your load, P. Ang delta is 4. This is your area, kag modulus of elasticity nga E. 10 to the 9 because gigapascal, no? So we have here our total elongation is 0.0031 meter. Okay? So answer man eh. Okay? Muna na. Okay? Okay, next problem we have here. Problem number 3. You're asked to solve the safe load P. Okay? So given we have here steel bar. Okay? So this time given ang iyang dimension 10 mm by 15 mm. No? Both sitting on this is a rectangular bar. Okay? Ang length is 240 centimeters aring E. Okay? Kagang stress niya or allowable stress. Okay? Then you have here your dimension that is 500 millimeter kag 300 millimeter. Okay. Kung kakson ta di, or kung otdon ta ni, ang aton nga bar, matumba pa kagto sa tuo ang aton nga pole. So buot siningon ginahawidan niya ni pabalik. Okay? Ang araw niya, no? Ginahawidan niya nga hindi matumba pa kagto sa tuo. Diba? So if I'm going to draw the free body diagram, amo na. Okay? So sa A, sa dalom dire, hinge, so we have two reactions. Okay? Ang T, amo ni siya ang load nga gina-carry sang imo nga steel bar. Okay? Ang ginapamangkot sa aton is safe load P. Buot silingon. Ano ang pinakadako nga P nga pwede ta di ibutang nga hindi ni mabugto ang aton nga steel bar. Okay? Sama ng question. First, I'm going to sum up moment at A equals 0. Okay, moment at A equals 0. So clockwise moment is this one, P. Counterclockwise ni ang T. Ang moment arms ang P is 0.8. Ang moment arms ang aton nga T is 0.3. So you have here, clockwise equals counterclockwise moment. So we have T times 0.3 is equal to P times 0.8. Now solving T in terms of P. So we have here 0.8 divided by 0.3, we have 2.67 P. Okay? So buot siningon mo ang load nga ginadala sa aton nga steel bar. Now for the formula of stress, you have stress equals P over area. Okay? Ang allowable stress ta is 120 megapascal. Okay? So we have here 120 megapascal. Anyway, so again, ano ta, no? S equals P over A. Okay? Cross multiply sa aton nga load, no? Kay load ang ipinitata. So P equals S times area. Okay? So ang aton din nga T, this is your 2.67 P. Sorry siya. Divide by area. Ang area ta is 0.1 times 0.01 times 0.015. Yan convert ang mm sa meters. Tapos sorry, this is 120 times 10 to the 6. Okay? Newton per meter squared. Okay? So kumbaga ang unit of this, Newton per meter squared. Sa piyak naman niya is over meter squared. So makancel. So ang atong units ng P is in terms of Newton. Now solving for P. Cross multiply. So P is equal to 6741.57 Newton. Okay, so sabat na ni. Alright? So buot silingon, ang pinakadako nga P na masarangan sa ating structure is 6741.57 Newton. Magsobra pa dahil mabugto ng aton nga steel bar. Okay? Next, we have here an aluminum tube is rigidly fastened between a bronze rod and steel rod. Actual loads are applied at a position indicated. You're asked to determine the stress in each material. Okay? Kung natawon ta, equilibrium ang aton nga structures. No, kay nga man, ang total nga load pakadto sa to is 20 plus 10, or that is 30 kilonewton. Ang pakadto naman sa wala, that is 15 and 15, so that is 30 kilonewton. Okay? For bronze, ang area niya is 700 mm squared. For aluminum, ang area niya is 1000 mm squared. And for steel, area is 800 mm squared. Okay, now, you're asked to determine the stress in each material. So we have to get the loads of each material. Paano ko na maubra? No? Similar sa analysis ang structure ta, i-section ko. Okay? So for bronze, tungon ko di siya sa tunga. Okay? Kung matunga ako ng bronze, no, makita ko na di ang load nga ginakiri sa aton nga bronze. Okay na? Ang 20 kilonewton tapakagto sa tuo. Para balance ta, dapat ang direksyon sa aton nga load sa bronze ta nga ginakiri pakagto sa wala, no? Amo lang ang direksyon niya dira pakadto. Okay? If we're going to sum up force horizontal equals 0, ang load sa aton nga bronze is only equal to 20 kilonewton. Force right is equal to force left. So load carried by bronze is 20 kilonewton. Okay? Ang stress sa aton bronze is equal to load sang bronze divided by area. So pilang load sang aton nga bronze, that is 20 kilonewton, diba? Okay. Tapos ang area ta is 700 mm squared. So substitute, you have 20 times 10 to the 3 divided by 700. Okay? So ang stress ang aton nga bronze is equal to 28.57 megapascal. Unit is megapascal because ang aton nga load is Newton, tapos ang aton nga area is millimeter squared. So we have here megapascal. Okay? For aluminum, similar to what we did sa may bronze, tungon naman siya sa tunga. Right? So makita ata mo lang na. Right? So 20 kilonewton pakagto sa tuo, ang 15 kilonewton pakagto sa wala. So ang load ta sang aton nga aluminum is pakagto sa wala para mag-balance, di ba? Sobrang 20 kilonewton compared sa 15. Okay? So dapat pakagto ni siya sa wala. Okay? Anyway, by the way, no? Ang aton nga load sa aton nga bronze, no? This is compression. Okay? Compression kay gina duso niya, no? Duso niya. Okay? Similarly sa aton nga aluminum, this is also compression. Okay? Now, if we're going to sum up force horizontal equals 0, we have PA plus 15 is equal to 20. Or load carried by aluminum is 20 minus 15, or that is 5 kilonewton. Now, solving for stress of aluminum, that is only load of aluminum divided by the area. So you have 5 times 10 to the 3 divided by 1000, or that is equal to 5 megapascal. Okay? Next, we have here steel. Sa steel naman, dili man ko section. So kung duringon ko siya, no? Amo na. Kung lang taon ta, ang force that's going to the right is only 20 kilonewton. Ang going to the left is 15 kilonewton. Therefore, ang load sa aton nga steel, no? Should be going to the right. No? So this one is tension kay butong or pull. Okay? So tension ng aton nga load sa aton nga steel. Okay? Nga kailangan na mabalaan kung compression or tension because later on, no, kung mag-solve na ta sa iyang total elongation, both siningon sa compression negative kay ginapalipot niya ang ating structure. Sa tension naman positive or plus kay ginabalaba niya. Okay? So diri way pa siya gawa applications kung compression or tensions. But in a later sample problems or problems involving total elongation, so importante nga mabalaan mo na kung compression na siya or tension. Okay? So summation force horizontal equals 0. So 20 kilonewton plus P sub S is equal to 30 kilonewton. Or P sub S, or load carried by steel, is only 10 kilonewton. Okay? Is only 10 kilonewton. Now for stress, that is P sub S over area. Okay? Or that is 10 times 10 to the 3 divided by 800. Okay? Or stress ang steel, that is equal to 12.5 megapascal. Okay? Pero ang tawa niya bla, no? If we're going to analyze the right section, no? Sa ngaton nga gin-cut. Diri ta makita actually, no? Makita ta dayon. Nga ang load nga gina-carry sa aton nga aluminum is equal to 10 kilonewton. Ang summation force horizontal ta. Okay? So, you can analyze either the left side of the section or the right side of the section. It will give you the same load, no, sa aton nga materials or aton nga structures. Okay? Okay, so we're going to stop here for day 2. No? So again, this is Engineer Jack Juliet saying the best creator next to God are engineers. Okay? Ciao. See you in day 3. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.